We got the PPI report and we have FOMC today. That's the most key event today. So let's see. If FOMC is all about Powell, it's most likely 99%. There's not gonna be a rate cut or rate increase or anything, but it's all about Powell comments. What he's gonna say. Is he gonna be talking about rate cut? Is he gonna say longer pause or what's he gonna say? So his comment is the most important thing. We are very very close to all-time high on future indexes and on the SPY we are very close to all-time high. So one push up it can pass it maybe this week, maybe who knows, we'll see. So if it goes very green today after FOMC, there is a possibility maybe we have a crazier week ahead. On top of that, Friday is OPEX day, so we'll see. ES pre-market right now, you get a little bit jump up on PPI and it continues going higher right now. 515 is upward. If the 30 MACD golden cross confirms, we can have another push up at open. 1 hour is kind of flat, 4 hours same, and ES daily MACD is still on the golden cross because of the gap up on the new contracts, and weekly is still very bullish. NQ almost same thing, 515 same, 30 MACD is about to golden cross, 1 hour 4 hour flat, and daily weekly is still very bullish. Dow Jones I think is all-time high. Yes, it must be. I think is all-time high. So it's a new contract, it's a new all-time high, and keep an eye on Dow Jones components. RUT is still far from all-time high, but it's trying to catch up. TNX it's falling down. Pre-market right now 5 to 1 hour is downward, 4 hour if that crosses, and 41.68 is passing right now. So if this one you see fall after FOMC, it's a key thing that can be a signal that market can fly higher. 40.42, that's a key level. If we go below that, market can get very crazy. DXY is falling too after PPI. From 5 to 4 hour everything downward. Daily MACD is still on the golden cross, all about 103.676. If we do pass that one, text can get more squeezy. VIX a little bit green. It made a new multi-year low yesterday, so it's all about 12.1. If that one passes, next target is 11.35. Below 12.1, market can get squeezy. BTC is still downward. Daily MACD dead cross. 4 hour MACD is curving up. So if this one golden cross, it's possible to have another jump up there. But so far it's holding 40 and 41k. So we'll see about that one. Apple. I was strong yesterday. 4 hour golden cross pre-market. Daily MACD most likely is going to curve up. Still very bullish on weekly. It's all about 196.33 and 196.96. If we do pass 196.96, then we're going to go ahead for all-time high 197, 199, 201. 200 is a key mental level. If we do pass that one at 201.1, next major levels are 203, 205, 207. But Apple recently has been a small mover and many times fails to make an all-time high. So, but keep an eye on 200. If 200 passes or any catalyst comes in, it can get very interesting. Amazon 148.3 major level reaching pre-market right now 5 to 1 hour upward, 4 hour bullish, and it's all about 149.26 the previous high. If we do break that one, we're looking at 150.55. That one, if 150.55 breaks, we are good to go to 151, 153, 154.18. Nvidia was very strong yesterday. At the open it jumped up and then it pulled back and jumped up again into the close, and right now is holding above 474.61. If it goes below that one, we're looking for next support 172, 171.45 and lower level. But so far is holding up. Pre-market 5 is up, 15 and 30 is all about 15 and 30. If the MACD golden cross at open, and if it jumps and MACD golden cross at open, it can go for another jump up. And once 475 mental level, if it does pass out, right now it's 475, and next key level to watch is 479.73. If we go for 480, 483, 487.99, those are the next major level. 4 hour we got dark blue bars, so daily TTM is still red bar, so be cautious, but so far looking good for bounce up. AVGO, just a monster, crazy name. Daily MACD's golden cross. Pre-market right now, 1 hour is dead crossing after 3 days. So that's just a little bit cautious there. But again, same as yesterday I mentioned, supports are 1064, 1055, 1040, 97. Most likely it's possible to touch down one of these, but if it jumps up and passes 1070, 1078.41, we're looking at 1088, 1101.55. That's the next major level. 1100 most likely is possible to come by Friday. If 1100 passes and goes crazier, continues, 1162.12, that's the next major level. Baba still dead. Oh, actually we got a yellow bar on the daily. That's actually a really good sign. It's still gap down today, so but keep an eye on Baba from here. Finally, we got a yellow bar on the daily TTM squeeze. So pre-market not looking so good, but 71.08, and that's a key level to watch. If it passes that one, we're looking at 72.09 and 73.73. I like that they got a yellow bar after a long time, so keep an eye on Baba. Maybe it's time to bounce up. Netflix. A little bit. It was interesting yesterday. They released the data on the shows, fine for the first time ever, but not much effect. So I was expecting some analysis happen on it and maybe some jump up. But we'll see at open. It's all about 465.28. If the data wasn't good, they wouldn't release it, but they did. So we'll see. 465.28. If it passes, we're looking at 466, 467.72. If it passes 467.72, next target is 471.68. Pre-market right now, 4 hours still bullish. It's all about 1 hour. If 1 hour MACD golden crosses, can go for another run up. Meta was a nice jump up yesterday. It's all about 335.82 now. 335.82. If we can pass that one, we can go to the higher level, 338, 341, 345. If it goes below 331, it can fail. Right now, pre-market 1530 is downward, 1 hour is dead crossing, so it's showing some weaknesses. So we'll see. Tesla daily MACD dead crossed yesterday, and right now is gapping down. They got the recall. They're losing their incentive of 7,500. So there's a lot of negative news coming on it. But right now pre-market 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is near golden cross. It's all about 235.7. If 235.7 passes, we can go for recovery upward to 37.9 on higher level. But be cautious. The pressure is down on the 4 hour and daily. 233 and 232.15. Those are the support. If 232.15 passes, it's gonna get ugly and it's gonna go for a dive down. 229, 227, 226.39 is the next level. Microsoft 3 points higher. I didn't see any news. I have to check again on Twitter. So it's all about 377.76 right now, this level. If it passes that one, we're looking at 378.99, 380.99. It had a strong close yesterday. Pre-market right now 5:15:30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything upward. So if it passes 377.76, it's good to go for 378, 380.99. All-time high is 384. So if FOMC good, maybe makes a new all-time high. Who knows? Google. 4 hour, finally we got a yellow bar and MACD is curved up. So if the 4 hour MACD golden crosses, we're looking at 134.15. That's a key level to watch. 134.15 passes, we are good to go to 135.59 and 136.48. Pre-market 5 to 1 hour is upward. So I like that the 4 hour curved up. So maybe it's time for it to jump up. AMD just a non-stop crazy runner yesterday, and right now it's still holding above 137.58. So about 2 key levels to watch. Already, just keep in mind, any name that goes parabolic, it can continue going on until we get a 4 hour dead cross. And you can see AMD since the event day, the 4 hour was bullish until yesterday, and yesterday we got dark blue bar, and the dark blue bar is decreasing, but the MACD is not dead cross yet. So if the MACD dead cross, then we can talk about some consolidation or pullback or some blah blah blah. So daily and weekly is still very bullish. So there is possible some pullback and goes up again. That's what it did a little bit yesterday. So 137.58, if it can hold it, 135.8, 134.41. But if it continues going higher, 138.79, 140.76, and 142.72, those are the next major level. Boeing 4 hour is already dead cross, and this one had a nice 3 day jump up since that dip on Thursday, I believe. And it's all about 249.49. Need to pass that one strong, which it tried to pass yesterday, but it pulled back. So if it passed 250 strong, we're looking for 250.95, 253.32, and 255.69. But again, if it goes below 247.12, it can fail and go retest lower level 244 and 243. Pre-market not mixed signal, and I don't like the 4 hour dead cross there. SPY. Gapping up like 1 point higher. It's all about 465.8. If that one can pass, we're looking at 466, 467, 45. And if FOMC comes in crazy, next major level is 471.77. Again, if it pulls back on FOMC or whatever news, 464, 463, those are the support. Below 463, we can go for a bigger pullback. Pre-market, the same like yes, 515 is up, 30 MACD is near golden crossing, but I don't like the 4 hour is getting a dark blue bar. So we'll see the actions at open. QQQ finally 400, 412. So next major level there is 401.54. All time high I think is 408. So if Powell comes crazy and push market higher, we're looking at 405, 408, 412.31. Those are the next major level. If it goes below 399, then pull back to 396, 394.89. What else? You got TLT, TNX pull up, TLT pushing up. 194.98 passes. We're looking at 95.91 and 97.41 there. Pan W made a new all-time high yesterday. 306.77 passes. We're looking at 312 next. 317, 322. Coin is doing some recovery. 4 hours is not golden cross yet. Snow. It's all about 196.47. Need to pass that one is strong for run up to 198, 200, 203. What else you got here? Cost has earning coming up this week. Keep an eye on that one. MDB needs to pass 400, 401 is strong to run up higher. ZS made a new all-time high yesterday. Levels there is 213, 216, 27 next. What else you got here? Roku was very weak yesterday. Daily MACD is dead cross. So if this 100 passes is strong, be cautious. Right now pre-market looking bullish, but if 100 breaks, be cautious there. What else? That's pretty much it on the major names. mRNA gap down. GLD, I like it that the 4 hour MACD is golden cross, so keep an eye on gold. Maybe this is the bottom. Yeah, Lulu made a new all-time high yesterday. So 509, 513, 75, those are the next major. 513 passes, we're looking at 520 and 528. LRCX is on top of my release right now. Yeah, keep an eye on LRCX. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. And it's FOMC day, and we got OPEX on Friday. Have a lovely day.